stop here. We built the X diaphragm, right? And there also have some problem because the attribute name is a little bit confused because, for example, this is a name. But actually, it is sex, right? So we give the name for each attribute. So type here dot colors equal. It's a array. So here first is H, right? H sex region income. We just follow the order because we rename the attribute. Income. Married. 要照顺序哦，因为我们重新 rename 它哈。刚刚我们发现，刚刚同学这个，如果你大小写不一致，它就读不到，所以请一致。然后是 car save， 这里呢，我们就回到原来的 save account。那为什么老师这边故意打 save 是要告诉你，这边我们可以自己编，因为等号左边你可以自己决定。The variable name you can decide by yourself. So I purpose use the save. But actually, when we read the diaphragm, we use the original name here. So here, in order not confuse, so I back to the save account to mapping consistency with the original data set here. Save account and current account. And mode page. How? So total number of attributes should have to consistency with your data frame. Then you can rename it just like this. 这样子你就可以得到 very clear and beautiful data here. And as we mentioned, because X here is a independent variable, we need our target variable. Target variable is Y here. So Y equal the length. PEP. So now we have our X here and Y here. And Y do not have to transfer because it is categorical problem. Yeah. And now we have to split it because last week we mentioned we need the training data set and the testing data set. Remember, I write down in the blackboard. 我们需要切割 divided the data set into the two parts. One is for training, the other part is for testing. 记得吗? One is for build model, the other part is for testing. So we need another package to help us to do that. The package we call it from sklearn.model selection. Model selection. Import train on the line, test on the line, split. So it means we will map the data set, transfer, split into train, test, two parts. Okay. So first, we want to train on the line. This is the test we named. 我们希望把 train 变成 train and X train and X test. This is the X part, right? And we also need the Y part. Y train, Y test. Okay, we need 4 parts, right? So we use the train, test, split. Great. First, we use the X. Second, we use the Y because X 这里 have to mapping the X part. 就是你的原本 original your X will divided into X train and X test, and original your Y will divided into Y train and Y test. Then next part, how many percentage you need? Okay, how many percentage you need? In today's case, we use the test size. 我们用80-20哈 80-20. So we make the test size equal 0.2. 这样就代表 20% was as the testing set, 80% was as the training set. Then, because every time it needs the sampling, right? So it will have a random seed. 这个会有随机参数. The random seed we use the random state. I use the number here because today is 2024 and we use the 2024-09. Yeah, it could be anything, but today we just make sure we are the same. So we use this number and we execute. So finally, we'll get to the X trend just like this. This is our X trend. This is our X test and our Y trend. So I want you to make in here 396 X, Y, and your test the same. 260 and your Y have to be the same. And that time means you are correctly, right? 这样就代表你对了. Your answer have to be the same with me here. So please check. Okay. So I want you check and I give you the code here. So if you have any question, please let me know. 过来一点点哈。你呢？你应该得到这个结果才是对的。我在想，你觉得呢？我们截图一下好了，请你截到你的名字。Green screen， 这样才知道你是对的哦哈。我原本想要横躺，我上次横躺他就给我挂了，因为没有横躺，对，代表你对了。好，给你看下面的程式码，但我要截到名字哦。有问题的举手。好，我去帮你看哈。那这段我们先停止录影。